Hi, I'm Hayley from Parallel Coaching, and in this video I'm going to be talking through some questions and answers about last minute revision.
I figured you'd need some help today.
So it looks like I'm going to have some help as well, but what I really wanted to say before we even get started and before she starts pitching in is just that the main thing with last minute revision is if you can avoid it, then please do. And the reason for that is that there is many more benefits for being able to structure out your learning over a long time.
I literally only have 2 weeks to cram in my revision. I've done some
Sorry,
already,
this is really weird. But I'm certainly not ready for the exam. I only have 2 weeks until the deadline. So 2 weeks can be enough, absolutely. 2 weeks can be plenty of time to be able to get all your studying in. It's just then making sure that you have and you feel like you have enough time to be able to give within those 2 weeks, to be able to still do the work, because it's not going to be easy when you're trying to cram the entire syllabus into just 2 weeks. I'm not remembering anything that I read, so I go through like a couple of these pages, and as I go through it I then check later and I don't remember any of it. You are definitely not alone. Let me just say that there. Definitely not alone. So if you guys are feeling this as well, not alone. So yeah, you say that it's going into your head, but that you're learning it, but you don't know whether it's actually sticking in your head. Okay, so my question for you is, have you actually checked how you are learning, or checked that memory is staying in?
the manual,
and I've got a handful of post-it notes, but like I say, I'm literally just covering it up and then trying to remember what I've read. So just checking that it's going in, and it's just not going in. Now, a good way of doing this is with mock questions that simulate what it is you're going to do for your exam. So a lot of people, they're trying to get all of that information that's on that page in their brain, which sounds like it's not reflective of what you're going to have to do on your actual exam. Now, as a result, on your exam, if it's multiple choice, you're not going to have to recall the entire page of information. So it sounds like you might be being a little bit unfair on yourself. So go away, download the mock questions that come with this video, so hit the link, and you'll be able to download plenty of mock questions. So if this is you as well, make sure you hit that link, download the mock questions.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Alright, so I'll click the link, I'll download the mock questions, and I'll work my way through those. And then, what do I do though? So if I'm working through those mock questions, and then I get to the load that I know I don't know. So let's say I'm just rubbish at the heart. What do I then do? Because I still don't think it's going in. The beauty of being able to mix it up and change between different types of learning is that you'll pick up different bits of information depending on the mode that you're using to learn. So if you've benefited from watching videos in the past, then definitely use more videos and less of the work from a manual in particular.
Let me stop you there.
I don't want to be scrolling through tons of YouTube videos. I don't have time for that. I've got, like I said, I've got 2 weeks. I do not have time to be scrolling through tons of YouTube videos to find a little bit for every bit of information. Okay, yes, so if you were using YouTube alone, you would have to then search through every single topic and make sure you've covered everything within your manual, and you might still have a lot of gaps as part of that. So I totally appreciate, and there is loads on our YouTube channel, so if you're looking for just specific points, please do search on our YouTube channel. But if you're looking for something with a lot more structured, and that those video tutorials are structured towards the syllabus that you're working towards, and that's what we do in our Revision Mastery series. So I've worked with hundreds and hundreds of learners that have worked through our Revision Mastery series, and the beauty of it is that you've got your video tutorials, you can download them to audio, so that if you're really busy and you're commuting, you can put your headphones in, you can have your MP3 player on, you can do it whilst you're cleaning, whilst you're walking the dog, whatever it might be. You've also got cheat sheets and mock questions as well, so it's about mixing up how you're learning. And also we use a lot of analogies, a lot of stories in those videos, and the beauty of that is it'll help you learn in a very different way to just reading the facts on a manual. It's about trying to link it so you can remember things.
I do only have 2 weeks. Is 2 weeks? Like, genuinely tell me now. Is 2
I
weeks?
can see you are very worried about time in particular, and that's fine. A lot of people get really anxious about the upcoming deadline of their exam. But believe me, 2 weeks is plenty of time if you're willing to put in that time to repeatedly go over some of the information. For example, some people have taken on our revision mastery series literally 1 to 2 days before their exam. They've used a mixture of the mock questions with that, and they have literally layered through it over those 1 to 2 days to get themselves fully prepared for the exam, and they passed. So with that in particular, you don't necessarily need to worry about the time frame, and that will vary per person, but it's about doing what you can in the time you have to make sure you have hit all the boxes and you've dealt with everything that might come up for your exam. And if you're worried about it, the Revision Mastery series is perfect.
Well, I don't think you need me for these questions anymore.
Oh, you're off.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, that was weird. If you are in that same situation, then the way to do that is to click the link that is with this video. There is an offer on with that Revision Mastery series at the moment, so you can make the most of that. And also, if you have any questions following that, you can pop them in the comments box below as well. Now, if you want to make the most of our mock questions, they're totally free. You can download those, the links with the video. Or if you want to make the most of our Revision Mastery series and the offer that's on for that, then please do click through the link and have a good look through, see what it's like. We have a huge amount of reviews on there and also testimonials from people that have worked with us before. It really genuinely has helped them feel 100% more confident, ready for their exam, even in a short time frame. If you like this video, be sure to hit the little like button below, hit subscribe, and also share with your friends. Like I say, please leave a comment below as well, and thank you so much for watching this doubled up video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.